The presence of a well-defined and prominent jawline is influenced by various genetic factors unique to each individual. There are numerous ways to enhance your jawline. For instance, some may consider losing weight to make their jaw more prominent, while others may opt to modify their diet. Prepare to be amazed. Our video contains a wealth of natural advice and exercises aimed at imparting a radiant glow to your face, chiseling a sharp jawline, and sculpting a slimmer and more streamlined appearance. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update on my latest content. Number 1. Exercising your jaw. Clench and release your jaw. An exercise that involves clenching your jaw for 10 seconds before releasing it can help relieve discomfort and subtle burning sensations. Repeating the exercise multiple times is possible, with 10-15 repetitions being sufficient to start with. Incorporate chin lifts. Tilt your head upwards and look at the ceiling. Contract your lips and hold the pose for 5 seconds to improve facial tightness by targeting a range of facial muscles. Make a fish face. Suck in your cheeks from inside your mouth and try smiling. Hold the form for at least 5 seconds per representative. Repeat this 10 times for a good starting exercise, and feel free to increase the number of reps as it suits you. Smiling exercise. Frequent smiling exercises the muscles in your face, leading to a more toned and youthful appearance. Facial exercises are an effective means to enhance facial tautness by targeting a broad spectrum of facial muscles. Consider practicing these exercises to achieve a more defined jawline and a slimmer facial appearance. Number 2. Consider facial rolling or gua sha. Consider using a facial roller or gua sha tool to manually stimulate lymphatic drainage and reduce excess fluid buildup. This simple technique can significantly help enhance facial tightness. Number 3. Chew gum. Chewing gum can enhance jaw definition and strengthen facial muscles. Consistent use over several weeks is likely to produce noticeable results. Number 4. Give mewing a go. Mewing refers to positioning the tongue against the roof of the mouth while maintaining a relaxed state. This technique can be an effective method to enhance facial tightness and tone a variety of facial muscles. Number 5. Use a good skin toner. An excellent facial skin toner can help prevent sagging of the skin, resulting in a more defined and tight appearance of the face and jawline. Additionally, a toner can aid in the removal of excess dead skin cells, restoring the skin's natural vibrancy and clarity. Number 6. Use collagen-enhancing products. Collagen is a critical component of the skin that helps maintain its elasticity. Certain cleansers and toners can stimulate collagen production in the skin. Therefore, it is advisable to conduct thorough research before purchasing any skincare products. Number 7. Maintaining good health. Maintaining good health is crucial to achieving a defined physique. Number 1. Drink water. Number 2. Sleep well. Number 3. Eat a healthy diet. Number 4. Consume less salt in your diet. Number 5. Stop smoking. As we come to the end of this video, I encourage you to implement these habits that we've discussed. And if you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing to my channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. If you have any other video suggestion, please comment down below. Bye bye and take care.
있잖아